Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. And as always, I miss my divines, and I've just been having time away from YouTube to spend with the people that I love, and I wanted to come on here before the year is out and make a juice. I don't think I made this juice before, and maybe this will be a lovely juice that you can try for the new year if this is the new year for you, of course. And this juice is, I would just say that it would be considered detoxifying. You can see I'm going to be using some carrots. I'm going to be using some beets. I am going to put some pear in here as well. I'm going to take some lime, and I'm going to take some oranges. You can actually add salt and pepper to this recipe, but I passed on that. But I will be sure to put the recipe in the description as always, as well as how much it makes and all that good stuff in the description. Okay, and I am using the H320 from Hurom juicer, and this juicer, since I've been using it this year, it is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the soft ingredients in first. So I'm putting the orange in, the lime, in the pear, and I'm going to put in the carrots. I'm going to put in my lovely beets, and you can use golden beets as well. I will put all the tips in the description. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, divine, so this juice made about 15 ounces on the dot. So we are going to go ahead and try this lovely juice together. And remember, we had beets, we had oranges, we had lime, we had carrots, we had a pear. Okay, and so let's try this lovely juice. I know I'm going to enjoy it. Yeah, so it's exactly how I thought it would be. It is sweet. All of these ingredients are sweet besides the lime, and the lime complements it very well. So I hope you enjoy this juice for the new year, if this is new year for you. And as always, I thank my divines for stopping by Montauk Avenue, and continue to be well, be true to yourself. Peace, divines.